are you guys doing today? I hope everyone feels just fine, and today we'll be checking out the minor TRX project. As you can see, of course, from the singing up you have a bonus, of course, and I had already deposited my money, my TRX, of course, from of course that address. You can deposit by checking the address, and of course you can copy also. So yeah, you can check your of course history, and as we can see, I also receive my trading profit. You can check here the trading list, and you can clicking here by to receive, of course. You can check also the mines. Here you have the finance records. Here as you can see, I have my register gift, and also I deposited money, and I have the quantity transaction revenue. Let's move on to the home. And you have to know that this is the cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. And at the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income, like of course, like insurance. Yeah, also you have to know that this is the best investment in 2022, and TRX mining, and you have the daily income means 6%. And TRON is the three major blockchain ecosystem jointly developed by the global blockchain. Of course, the centralized network and the miner TRX is the largest mining pool of TRON, so you have to join them and develop together, of course. So yeah, here of course you have the bonus from singing up, means 800 TRX, of course. And the minimum funds is 5 TRX, and your daily minimum profit is 2.8%. If you accumulate it from 0 to
But if you accumulate
9,999
it
TRX
from
daily, your minimum profit is 2.8%. 499 thousand 999 TRX minimum daily, of course, your profit means 4%. But if you accumulated more than 10 millions, your TRX daily minimum profit means 6%. Yeah. Of course, the daily minimum withdrawal amount, which you can check here, is 2.8% of the funds, as you can see, and the maximum daily withdrawal is 6% of the time. Of course, your daily mining income is 9%. Yeah, here you can check, of course, shares. You can invite your contacts, of course, by that code, of course, and you can also check here the language, the notifications, as you can see. Of course, you can create your team, and of course receive the free gifts, the invitation sync up bonus, the invite profitable rewards, and the invitation to deposit bonus. From level 1, you can the user can of course receive a 30 free 30 TRX, and the user, and in level 2 user can receive 20 TRX, and in level 3 10 TRX. The invite profitable rewards means that for level 1 10%, for level 2 7, and for level 3 3%. Of course, you can also receive the invitation to deposit bonus, a level for level 1, which means 12%. So yeah, let's move on to the home page, and you can check also here the apps. You can log out and the wallet. Here, as we can see, I have the 940 TRX. Of course, I have my deposit 800, my bonus 800. I deposited 140 for of course bonus for trading. As you can see, the trading profit, and you can check the promotion, and of course you have to join to be a TRON millionaire, and you can check also the details. As you can see, the trading, of course, means a plus 5%, of course. Yeah, and you can also check the information about the miner TRX and the partners, and the Bitmine, Binance, and Genesis mining, and more, as you can see. Of course, the most important is to for you is to check the Telegram group for the most important information for you. Of course, don't miss that. And yeah, Here you can also check the trading, of course. You can share your address for inviting your friends, and the mine you can check also. Here we have the of course the total balance. You can check the deposit. As we can see, you can deposit, of course, and your withdrawal from here you can also check. And also you can check here at the VIP level, my current level and the TRX deposit quantity. Of course, here you can check, and you can upgrade now that, and you can check the basis for a VIP for levels and deposit quantity, my income and your daily withdrawal. Of course, you can check for VIP 4, for VIP 2, and for example for VIP 1 means from 0 to 900 9,099.99. Your income will be 5%, and your daily withdrawal means 2.8%. Yeah, it's really nice, of course. And you can check also rebate. Here you have for of course VIPs for VIP 1, invite rebate, deposit rebate, and the trading rebate. So yeah, you can check here the every information, each information about the rebate and your basis, of course. Here you have the TRX deposit quantity, of course, and the app services. You can, of course, check your team from here, your history. As we can see, I have of course my register gift means 800 TRX, deposit. I deposited them 100 TRX, and my quantity transaction revenue means 40 TRX. Yeah, and you can also check. You can transfer to basics, as you can see, from a basic account to promotion account. Yeah, and you can share your for inviting your friends. You can share, of course, the notification. You can check, of course, and you can log out, and you can modify, of course, your password and login password. Of course, remember that you can deposit here the money. Here you have the address, of course, and the QR code. Of course, you can check by copying address, of course. Yeah, so I think this is all about that project. Thank you so much for watching that video. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. Yeah, let me know what do you think in comments. Leave a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!